Hello, good morning, प्यारे बच्चों. Today we are going to start class 11th next topic, straight line, and this topic is the first topic of the coordinate geometry of class 11. So from very basic we will learn. So the first topic is, what do you understand by a straight line? So first topic is straight line. Straight line. In class 10th or 9th standard, we discuss about the geometrical representation or graphical representation of a straight line. So every linear equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, or we can say an algebraic expression of the form ax plus by plus c if put equals to 0, then this is the general representation of a straight line, or we can say the equation of a line where a comma b comma c belongs to set of real number and a cannot be equals to 0. So an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 represent a straight line in two variable x and y. Now second, if we have given any straight line, then what is the slope of line? So next topic is slope of a line or a straight line. So what do we understand by the slope of a line? So let us suppose in two dimensions space, this one is in 2D, let us suppose this is x o x days and this is y o y days, or simply we can say when two mutually perpendicular lines intersect each other, then the point of intersection of these two mutually perpendicular lines is always considered as the point of reference, or all the other point will be measured with respect to this point. So this point is generally known as origin, and with respect to this origin, if there is any point P having coordinate x comma y, then if we draw a perpendicular from this point to the x-axis of that quadrant, then distance on x-axis, that is, let us suppose this is that point A, that is PA perpendicular to x-axis, then this OA distance on x-axis is represented by the x coordinate, and distance from x-axis is represented by the y coordinate. So the point x comma y is given, then this x means distance on x-axis and y means distance from x-axis. And in 10th we have learned that this first point nomenclature is known as abscissa, and this point y is known as ordinate. And in joint form, these two point, that is x comma y, is known as coordinate of this point P. Now this, if we join this point O to P, then we can say this OP is an straight line, and this line is inclined with initial axis, that is x-axis, with a particular angle. So slope of lines means, what do you understand? So to understand the slope of any line, just we draw a line, and a line if inclined with the initial axis at the angle of theta, then the trigonometrical tangent of this theta is known as the slope of this line. So let us suppose line OP is inclined with an angle theta with x-axis, then this theta is known as inclination, and the trigonometrical tangent of this theta, that is tan of theta, is known as slope of the line, and the slope is generally represented by m. So slope of line is nothing but simply trigonometrical tangent of the inclination of line. So tan theta is the slope of a given line. Now this theta may be, if theta is various cases we will discuss here. What is the theta? So let us discuss some new topics. So let in two dimension space, let us suppose this is the any line, and this line is inclined with an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then the trigonometrical tangent of theta, that is tan of theta, is known as slope. So slope of any lines means nothing, simple. If line is given and line is inclined with any angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then the trigonometrical tangent of this angle is known as slope of the line AB. And in standard notation, slope is always written by m, so m will be equals to tan of theta. Now, what is the possibilities of theta? सबसे पहले case first, देखो, if theta is equals to 0 degree, theta is 0 degree means in this case this line will inclined with the x-axis. So if theta is equals to 0, then slope m will be tan of 0 degree, and tan 0 is 0. So if line is inclined with x-axis, then its slope will be 0. Second case, when if theta is greater than 0 degree, or theta is less than 90 degree, then the theta will be the acute. In this case, slope m will be equals to tan of theta, and this will be positive value, because if the theta is less than 90 degree, then the slope of line will be tan of theta, and numerical value theta will be positive. So this is the second case. Case third, if theta is equals to 90 degree, let us suppose theta अगर आपका 90 degree है, then slope किसके बराबर होगा? Slope m will be equals to tan of 90 degree. And what is the value of tan 90? Tan 90 is infinite. So slope m will be equals to infinite. Infinite means infinite लिखो, or we can write the slope is equals to 1 upon 0. That is, line will be perpendicular to x-axis. If the theta is 90 degree, let us suppose this is the 90 degree case. If line is inclined with initial axis at the angle theta equals to 90 degree, then line will be perpendicular to x-axis. And the next case, case number 4, when theta is less than 180 degree but greater than 90 degree, then slope will be equals to tan theta, and it will be negative. Means slope will be negative when theta is less than 90 but greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. So these are the some cases about the slope of line. So hope this topic is clear. Once again I am revising. Slope of any line means simply trigonometrical tangent of the inclination of line. So if the line is inclined with an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then the trigonometrical tangent, that is tan of theta, will be the slope of line and slope के various cases क्या क्या हो सकते हैं कि थीटा 0 डिग्री है तो स्लोप आपका 0 होगा, थीटा अगर लेस देन 90 डिग्री है तो स्लोप विल बी पॉजिटिव, थीटा अगर 90 डिग्री के इक्वल है तो स्लोप विल बी not defined or we can say infinite or we can write it n is equals to 1 upon 0 and if theta is greater than 90 degree then the slope will be negative. So this was about the slope of a line and some cases related to various angle of or simply inclination of the line. So now please pause the video note down. Next, now if we have given two straight line and if the given straight lines are intersecting each other, then how we will find the angle between two lines? So next topic is angle between two lines. दो लाइंस के बीच में एंगल हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? So in two dimension, let us suppose we have given one line is this. Let us suppose the line is AB. Another line is this. Let us suppose CD. And these two lines are intersecting each other at the point P. Now what we have to find angle between two lines. दो lines के बीच में how we will find the angle? So सबसे पहले देखिए first line AB है. Let us suppose the inclination of this line with x-axis is theta 1 and the inclination of line CD with the x-axis is theta 2 and if the angle between these two lines is theta. एक बार फिर से देखिए, one line is given AB which is inclination at an angle theta 1. Second line is CD which is inclined with the x-axis at the angle theta 2 and on producing if these two lines are intersecting each other at the point P then angle between these two lines will be angle APC or angle BPC. This is also if this is theta then this will be equals to 180 minus of theta. So let सबसे पहले अपन क्या लिखेंगे? Let AB inclined with the x-axis at an angle theta 1. Similarly, let CD is inclined with x-axis at an angle theta 2. ठीक है? And angle between two lines is theta. Then by the basic concept here, see in the triangle this let us suppose this is the point M and this is point N. Then in triangle PMN the theta 2 will be equals to theta 1 plus of theta. किसी भी ट्रायंगल का एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो है that will be always equals to the sum of its two interior opposite angle. So theta 2 will be equals to theta 1 plus theta. Now यहाँ से theta की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? Theta will be equals to theta 2 minus of theta 1. Taking trigonometrical tangent on both sides, so tan of theta will be equals to tan of theta 2 minus of theta 1. Now tan A minus B, tan of theta will be equals to tan of theta 2 minus tan of theta 1 whole upon 1 plus tan of theta 2 into tan of theta 1. So this is the tan A minus B in right hand side. Now just before to this article, we learned that if any line which is inclined with x-axis at an angle θ1, then the slope of this line AB will be equals to, let us suppose m1, then m1 will be equals to tan of θ1. Similarly, if the slope of line CD is m2, then m2 will be equals to tan of θ2. Simply trigonometrical tangent of inclination of this line. So here we can write tan theta, tan of theta will be equals to, in that is tan θ2 will be equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So theta will be equals to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is the angle between two lines having slope m1 and m2. Then theta will be given by tan inverse m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. And if otherwise not stated, this will be always taken as absolute value, because this will be absolute value because theta is considered as an acute angle. Okay, so how we will find the angle between these two lines? This was the derivation for the angle between two lines. Now next topic, condition of parallelism of two lines. दो लाइन अगर पैरेलल है तो उनके पैरेलल होने की क्या कंडीशन होगी? सो हमने यहाँ देखा था कि किन्हीं दो लाइन के बीच का जो एंगल होता है tan थीटा, that is m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the angle between these two lines. So theta इन दोनों लाइन के बीच का एंगल होगा जिनका स्लोप m1 and m2 है. If the lines are parallel, that is, this is the, let us suppose line L1 है, this is the line L2 है. If both the lines are parallel, so here if lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then theta will be equals to 0 degree, because अगर line parallel है, then on producing till infinite they will never intersect each other, so theta will be equals to 0 degree. Now if theta is 0, then tan 0 will be equals to 0, so 0 will be equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So on cross multiplication, this 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपके पास क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? m2 minus m1 will be equals to 0. Implies that m1 will be equals to m2. So if the lines are parallel, then the slope of line will be always equal. So this is the condition of the parallelism of two lines. Now next we will discuss the condition for the perpendicularity of two lines. So second condition of PERPENDICI perpendicularity of two lines दो लाइंस अगर परपेंडिकुलर है, परपेंडिकुलर PERPENDICULARITY परपेंडिकुलरिटी ऑफ टू लाइंस. अगर दो लाइन एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर, लेट अस सपोज दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन एंड दिस वन इज द सेकंड लाइन, देन एंगल बिटवीन दीस टू लाइन विल बी theta will be equals to 90 degree. So angle between two line is given by tan theta बराबर m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. अगर थीटा आपका 90 डिग्री है then tan 90 will be infinite, or we can write infinite will be expressed mathematically 1 upon 0, so 1 upon 0 will be equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. By cross multiplication, this 1 plus m1 into m2 will be equals to 0, implies that m1 into m2 will be equals to minus 1. So this is the condition of the perpendicularity of two lines. That is, if the product of slope, that is product of slope is equals to minus 1, then the lines will be perpendicular to each other. So this is the second condition. Now the next topic is condition of collinearity of 3 points. So next condition of collinearity of 3 points. 3 points means if 3 point, let us suppose one point is A, another point is B, and next point is C. If these 3 points are collinear, if they lies on the same line, then what will be the condition of collinearity of these 3 points? About this in class 10th also we discuss in the coordinate geometry. If the 3 points are collinear, then वहां हमने क्या डिस्कस किया, अगर 3 पॉइंट को कोलिनियर प्रूव करना है तो उनसे बनने वाले ट्रायंगल का एरिया 0 होगा, ऐसा हमने प्रूव किया था. So let us suppose the coordinate of point A is x1 y1, B is your x2 y2, and C is your x3 comma y3. Let the coordinate of these 3 points are these. Then in 10th standard, 10th में हमने क्या पढ़ा, if A, B and C are collinear, then area of triangle ABC will be equals to 0. So area of triangle अपन कैसे निकालते थे, 1/2 x1 into plus x2 into plus x3 into, आप देखिए x1 के साथ यहाँ क्या लिखते थे, y2 minus y3, x2 के बाद क्या लिखते थे, y3 minus y1, और x3 के बाद यहाँ लिखते थे y1 minus y2. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, और एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल किसके बराबर होना चाहिए था, 0 के. दिस कंडीशन वी डिस्कस्ड इन द क्लास 10th standard. Now here, if the line ABC is a straight line, or all the point ABC lies on the same line, then यहाँ क्या होगा, slope of AB will be equals to slope of BC. So this is the condition of collinearity of 3 point, which we will discuss here. So how we will find the slope of a line joining 2 points? So we will discuss this point in next article. So next, to find the slope of a line having 2 points on it. एक लाइन है, लेट अस सपोज 2 डायमेंशन स्पेस में, ये आपकी कोई लाइन दे रखी है जिसके ऊपर एक पॉइंट A है, दूसरा पॉइंट B है and what is given, the coordinate of A and B both are given. So let the coordinate of the point A is your x1 y1 and the coordinate of B is your x2 y2. Then how we will find the slope of this line AB? So first draw a perpendicular from A to x-axis. So this one let us suppose कोई point M है, then this one is x1 and this one is y1. Similarly, draw one perpendicular from point B to the x-axis. Let us suppose the line is meeting at the point N. Then this ON will be equals to x2 and this complete will be equals to y2. Now, if we draw a perpendicular from the point A to the line BN and if it is meeting at the point R, then this MN will be equals to this AR and this will be equals to x2 minus x1. Similarly, BR will be equals to y2 minus y1. Okay. And if the line is inclined with initial axis at an angle theta, then in triangle ARB, this angle will be equals to theta. So in triangle ARB, in triangle ARB, अगर मैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल टेंजेंट लेता हूं थीटा का, तो टेन थीटा किसके बराबर होगा? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस के. सो परपेंडिकुलर क्या है? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And what is the tan theta? Tan theta is the slope of line AB. So slope of line AB will be equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is simply slope of line. If it having 2 points on it, then difference of ordinate upon difference of abscissa. So slope M will be difference of ordinate upon difference of abscissa. So this is the slope of a line having 2 points on it. So today we discuss what is the standard representation of a straight line, then what is the slope of a line, then how we will find the angle between these two lines, then conditions for the parallelism and perpendicularity of two lines, and then we discuss about given a line is given and on the line 2 points are given, then how we will find the slope of a line having 2 points on it. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. In next video we will do exercise 10.1. Thank you.